A very good morning to all of you, my dear kids. I hope you all are fine at home. Today we will move on to our new lesson, that is the king's condition. Here there was a king, Krishna Deva Raya. He was a very great emperor of Vijayanagara, and he has a jester in his court. His name is Tenali Rama, who makes laugh to the people by his petty jokes. Today we will listen the story of the Tenali Rama and the Krishna Deva Raya. Let us move on to the story. Tenali Rama, the court poet of Krishna Deva Raya of Vijayanagara, solved the gravest of problems by his wit and wisdom. He was loved by the king, due to which the other courtiers were jealous of him. That Tenali Rama is very wise and witty, and he used to solve all the problems of the court of Krishna Deva Raya, and king loved him very much. So all the peoples in the king's court were used to be jealous with him. They won't like him. Let us see the story. Krishna Deva Raya is in a good mood. He gives each of his courtiers a bag containing 50 gold coins. That one day the king was very happy, and he has given a gold of 50 coins to all his courtiers. The courtiers are thrilled. Just then the king says, I want you to buy things with these gold coins within 1 week. At the end of the week, show me all that you buy, but there is a condition. Every time you spend a gold coin, you have to see my face. That the king gave the bag of 50 gold coins to each and every courtier, and he has put in one condition, that while you have to buy the things with these 50 coins in a week, while buying the things, you have to remember my face. You have to look at my face, then only you have to buy the things. If you do not look my face, you don't buy anything. Like this, the condition was put in by king. All the courtiers are very pleased. They leave for the market to do some shopping, but whenever they decide to buy something, they remember the king's condition. That all the courtiers were very happy and pleased by the kings, and everyone went to the market to buy some things. Then while buying something, they got remembered the king condition. That the king kept the condition that you can't buy anything without seeing my face. That condition they got remembered. How can they see the king's face in the market? If they do not see the king's face, they cannot spend the gold coins. The courtiers are puzzled. That how can they see the king's face in the market? Is there a king in a market? No, they all are very confused. They all are very shocked to remember the condition. Then let us see what they have did. Some of them stay in a market for a whole week. They think if the king himself come to market to buy something, we might get to see his face, then we can spend the gold coins. Then what happened? Some of the courtiers got stayed in a market for a whole week, because they thought that maybe king will come to the market to buy something, then we will see the king face, and then we will buy something from the market. Like this they assumed, and they stayed in the market. But the king does not came to the market. The week passes in this manner. When the court assembles after a week, the king asks the courtiers that the week got passed, the king did not came to the market, and later they won't buy anything, and they went to the court of the king after a week. Well, how did you spend the gold coins given to you? The king asked the courtiers that how did you spend that gold coins given by me? What you have did with that? The courtiers have no reply. The royal priest gets up from his seat. He says, Your Majesty, we could not buy anything at all. That king asked the question that what you have bought from the market. The royal priest got up and told the king that we didn't brought anything from the market. How and where could we see your face in the market? Then pointing towards the bags of gold coins that all courtiers have brought back, the royal priest adds, since none of us could see your face in the market, he did not spend a single gold coin. That royal priest got up from his seat and told the king that we didn't brought anything because we didn't saw your face in the market. How can we buy the things without seeing you as per our condition? So we didn't brought anything. Take your coins back. That everyone came and added the bags to the kings. The king looks at Tenali Rama. That day, Tenali Rama has come to the court wearing new clothes and ornaments. The king asked Tenali Rama, what about you? Did you spend the gold coin? Then everyone has given back the bag of coins. But Tenali Rama was sitting in a new clothes and he was looking very good. And he was in a smiling face. Then king asked the Tenali Rama, did you spend the coins? How did you spend those coins? He questioned to Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama smiles and answers, Your Majesty, look at this new dhoti, this silk kurta, this beautiful scarf and this shining ring. I bought all these things with the gold coins given by you. Then what Tenali Rama did? Tenali Rama smiles and he answered to the king that, yes, Your Majesty, this silk kurta, this dhoti, this scarf and this gold coin, all these gold ring, that all these has bought by the coins given by you. That I got everything by the coins given by you. The courtiers are surprised and happy. They think Tenali Rama did not see the king's face before buying anything. He saw he has not fulfilled the condition laid down by the king. Tenali Rama is surely going to be punished today. Then all the courtiers were very surprised that we have not seen a face of a king. How he could? Maybe he has broken the condition of a king and he will be punished for this. Like this, all the courtiers were assuming. The king says, Tenali Rama, you have not fulfilled the condition laid down by me. You did not see my face in the market, yet you dared to buy these things. Then king questioned to Tenali Rama, Tenali Rama, how can you buy the things that you have not seen my face in the market? You have not fulfilled my promise? Then what Tenali Rama says? Tenali Rama says, Your Majesty, I have spent all the gold coins only after seeing your face. Then what Tenali Rama told the king? Tenali Rama told the king that, Your Majesty, I have spent all the coins by looking at your face only. I didn't broken my condition. Your Majesty, the king questions, how is that possible? Tenali Rama answers, Your Majesty, have you forgotten that every gold coin bears the picture of your face? Then king questioned, how is it possible? I didn't came to the market. Then how can you buy the things? The Tenali Rama answered the king that, Your Majesty, do you remember that each of every gold coin is with your face only? Every time I spent a gold coin or saw your face in this manner, I fulfilled the condition laid down by you. The king smiles at Tenali Rama. The courtiers do not know what to say. Wasn't Tenali Rama clever? Then while Tenali Rama then said that by seeing your face on the gold coin, I spent all the gold coins. So I didn't broke my promise. That king was very happy with the Tenali Rama's cleverness and all the courtiers were jealous of Tenali Rama. So do you think that Tenali Rama is clever? Yes, he is clever. I think you all have enjoyed the story of Tenali Rama. Don't go outside to play. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.